Hamburgport is located on the right bank of the Lower Elbe River in northern Germany, about 76 miles from the estuary, near the Helgoland Bay. It is the largest port in Germany and the second largest container port in Europe. It was founded in 1189, with a history of more than 800 years, and has developed into the world's largest free port. In the center of the free port, there is the world's largest warehouse city with an area of 500,000 square meters, and it is also the most important transit port in Europe. In 2013, we supplied 15 PCs pneumatic fenders for Hamburgport. Pneumatic rubber fender is a very popular marine fenders used for ship-to-ship and ship-to-dock berthing operation. The best feature of a pneumatic rubber fender is easy to install, easy to redeploy. The fender is supported by the water on which it floats. It can be moored simply by means of a gyropore chain and can be removed easily to a suitable jetty or quay when not in use, or transferred to another mooring point whenever required. We are a growing enterprise specialized in providing marine fender systems for the Port Authority, shipyards, ship owners, and offshore marine engineering projects. The products range from floating fenders, pneumatic rubber fenders, foam-filled fenders to solid marine fenders, cell fender, cone fender, arch fender, cylindrical fender, D-fenders, etc. With a rich experience in the marine industry for decades, we have built long-term partnerships with our customers.